Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, March the 24th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru, and the 4 stars Sudoku. The 4 stars Sudoku number 6166. Yeah, wow. 6166. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes, sometimes you have a lot. I repeat again. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve that puzzle. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s. We have here 2 4s. 3 5s. 4 6s. All right. 3 7s. 4 8s. And 2 9s. So the 6s and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 6? 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. Well, cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 then? The 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8. Well, 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with 8. Now I need to wait. 6 6. 6 6. Yeah, need to wait. All right. Okay. 9 9. 6 8. 9 9. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 4. 4 4 4. 4 5 and a 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1 4 5. 1 4 5. 1 4 5. 1 4 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. All right. 2 2. Need a 9. 9 2 9, and need a 6. Can 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. All right. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 5, 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 2. 1, 9. 1, 9. 4. Yeah. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in the last. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 4 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, with 1 and 2 in this row. So no 1, 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 7. Here also 1 and a 2, but we already have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, so here can be a 1 anymore. So that box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this row for number the 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Okay. Alright. 9, 9. Come on. 6, 6. Need 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. 4, 4, 4. 6, 6, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 6. We have 1, the 4, and the 6 in this column. So no 1, 4, and the 6 in these 3 boxes. 1, 4, and the 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 1, 4, and we have a 6 there. So now we have a pair. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Here we have a pair. So the other pair in this row should be the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, 7. 7, 1, 4, 6. Alright. Okay. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in this row. So no 2 and 3 in this box. The 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 1. 1 and a 4, we already have a 1 here in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1, 4, 6, well, we have a 1 and a 4, so this box should be a 6 then. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Yeah. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. You see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, here an 8 in the row above, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes. Oh, well, my pencil not working again. Okay. Well. 4, 4. 2 missing numbers now in this second column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So we have a 2 here. We have a 2 there. That means in this row we have a 2 in one of these. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 the third column. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. Here can be 2 because we have 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or there. Here, or there. You see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here can also not be a 2 because we have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Oh, 1 is missing, yeah. 1 and a 3, 1 and 3, not 2 and 3. 1 and a 3, okay. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those. These 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. We have a 7 there, so the 4 and 6. Okay, these 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. Well, you have a 9 here. We have a 9 there. That means in the last row, I think this box should be a 9. Because here can be 9, because we have 9 in the second column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, because we have 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be in one of these 3 boxes. But here can be a 9, because we have a 9 in this column, no 9. Here can be 9, because we have 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be here. So the 4 and the 7 are left for the 7. Here we have a 4, here we have a 4. That means in the last row, this box should be a 4. Because here can be 4, because we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, because we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here can be 4, because we have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the last row should be there. So here we have the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. 4 and the 7. 3 and the 5. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 5. 4 and the 9. Let me see. 4 and 9, 9, 9. 4, 4. 3 and a 5. We already have a 3 here in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and a 9, 6 and a 7, 9 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow! Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could it be? Although it has 24 printed digits. 60 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 2 puzzles. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Yes. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye for now.